Alright, next up we have Tristan. What's up, bud? Sorry for the wait. It's pushing 7 o'clock. Still have like 20-some breaks to do. Anyway, you're going to do box number... Let's see if it'll blend. There we go. Box number 67. Totally certified, dude. There we go. Kobe. Ricky Rubio, Kevin Murphy, rookie roll call, and Charles Delfino. There's a blue Bradley Beal, the $2.99, and Chris Middleton, rookie roll call, Kendall Marshall. Quincy Easy, rookie roll call, and Marshawn Brooks. CJ Miles, $2.99, and a patch of JJ Barea, 16 of 25. Cool. Oh, and Brandon Bass, $4.99. Corey Joseph, $2.99, and Brooke Lopez jersey. Joe Johnson, $4.99. Totally blue Anthony Randolph, and the last hit Andre Iguodala jersey. Jeremy Pargo, $4.99. Now we'll do your packs. You get 2 packs, 9 stacks. Let's see which row we're gonna do. No 12. Row 2. I think we're getting low on row 2, but there still is a fat one on the bottom. You get 2 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 9 left from row 2. Here we go. Pack 6 and pack 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back to the top. That thing's rotated like 4 times a day. Here we go, Tristan. We have Evan Longoria breaking a bat over his knee. And Johnny Bench. Museum. Carmelo. Anthony. And Wade Boggs. Cool. That'll do it, Tristan. I appreciate it. I'll get those decoys on the way for you too, man. See ya.